Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my version of the Latina makeup look. I'm obsessed with this trend. All right, so I'm first starting off with the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer along with the Face Bond by Urban Decay. This duo is everything. I love how the Face Bond lays on top of this primer. As you can tell, this foundation is not runny and that is key. We want more of a medium to full coverage. A little goes a long way and the idea is to have more of a matte looking skin. When I work with matte coverage foundations, I like to pat that into my skin, and then I'm going in with the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer. I'm using this under my eyes, on my smile lines, and as you can tell, this concealer is not lighter than the rest of my foundation. It does also have more of an orange undertone, so it's going to cancel out that darkness. You know, I love to stay practical when I'm working with makeup. And then I'm setting it with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder. I'm using this under my eyes and then along the side of my nose to cinch that in more. This is going to set the foundation for when I contour my nose later on. I love this Easy Bake Powder. It has more of a pink undertone, so it does help to brighten the under eyes without having to go with a light concealer. I'm using one shade of eyeshadow, and this is a very light brown shade. It does have more of a warm undertone, and I notice with Latina makeup, they don't do too much when it comes to eyeshadow. Well, this particular look, they don't do too much. Gelling those brows in place, and I also notice that they like to carve out their brows more. So I'm using that same concealer to carve out my brows to give it more of a defined look. Then I'm lightly diffusing it, and then I'm going to add a baking powder on top to set that concealer. This is probably the most I've focused on my brows ever. Latinas always have snatched brows. Even if they don't have makeup, their brows are always snatched. All right, time for the eyes. I think this is what really makes the Latina a trend. A fine felt tip liner like this to create a sharp wing is key. Hands down, the TooFaced eyeliner is one of my favorite top eyeliners, this and the Huda Beauty one. Then I'm curling my eyelashes, applying a little bit of mascara, and applying lashes is another key element to this look. I haven't used a full band of lashes in I don't know how long. It's been years. I usually like to do the half band. The drama is in the eyes. I like to also clamp my natural lashes with the fake lashes together so they stick, and then applying a black eyeshadow on top of that lash band so the glue doesn't show as much. I'm just going to add a blush. Now, the Latina look does do a lot of contouring. However, I don't like contour on my face. I feel like it just makes it too hollow. I'm just going to apply contour only on my nose. I would say this is my favorite part. I really like how it's cinched in my nose. I don't know why I don't do it often. I like to also set it so it doesn't move. Using the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil Longwear Lip Liner in shade Dark Brown. It's also a deep neutral brown. You guys know I'm obsessed with this line. However, I found that this color was not as easy to blend. It could be because of the pigment ingredient. When I saw this on my lips, I was like, whoa, it really defined my lips. And I like to do more of an ombre effect, so I'm diffusing it all over. I don't want to diffuse it too much because I am going to top it off with the gloss, and you guys are going to see why I didn't diffuse it too much. It does look pretty animated, like a cartoon character or something. Topping it off with the lip gloss from Lawless is a heavenly combo. I think I would wear this lip combo even without eye makeup. And then going in with a golden highlighter. Latinas have nice cheekbones and they love to highlight that. I look like I just came out of a telenovela. Latinas are one of the most beautiful women in the world. I've always found their features striking and feminine at the same time. Their personality is also warm and kind and generous. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!